Hello everyone, this is Pranay. Today this time I'm going to show you some advanced SQL queries which contain some aggregate and built-in functions and also group by and order by clause. So this will be exercise number 3 and we have few queries here. We have total number of 15 queries. We're going to answer each query. So let us see the queries line by line. And let us open our SQL command line too. Okay, now so our first query, we have already created these customer product supplier table in our previous videos. So we'll use them and we'll answer some queries. So the first query is display the number of customers. So we're going to display the number of customers. We're going to use a count aggregate function. So let me copy and show you that. The total number is 4. So number of customers is 4. Now what is the maximum quantity that has been ordered? So maximum is the aggregate function we're going to use. So select max of the ordered quantity from the ordered quantity table. Let me show you that. And this is a 20 is the maximum ordered quantity. Now we are asking display the minimum, maximum and the average price of the product. So we're going to use the minimum, maximum and average aggregate function and we're going to show the order quantity from the order quantity table. So let me show you that. And these are the minimum price, maximum price and the average price from the order quantity table. Now we are asking for display the average price of each product. So for each product you have to group them by their product ID. So hence I've used group by clause. Select average price from the order quantity table and the group by product ID, that is group by the product ID. So that means for each product this is the average price as you can see here. Now further we have some queries. Find the total quantity ordered for each product. Total quantity means sum of the whole ordered quantity. And for each product, that is for each product ID. Yeah, this is sum for each product. Now find out the number of orders placed on each date. So on each date means we're gonna group by order date, and for number of orders we're gonna count them. So total number of orders we're gonna count them. So we're gonna use a count aggregate function. And by order date and the count for each date. Now our next question is find out how many products are ordered in each order. So order ID and count for each order, that is for product ID. I'll show you that. Done. Now sort the order table based on order date. So sorting is done by order by clause, and there are two types of sorting, as you know. There is ascending order and as well as descending order. So we're going to select all the columns from order table, order 1 table, and order them by their order date in ascending order, that is ASC. So let us do that. Yeah, it is in ascending order. Now now display the products and their quantity and sort the result of the sum of quantity ordered in descending order. So I have selected product ID, ordered quantity and sum of ordered quantity as sum from the ordered quantity table and group them by the product ID and the order quantity and ordered them by the sum of the ordered quantity in descending order. Control C. Done. As in descending order, I've ordered them 20, 20, 15, 14 and 12. These are all the ordered quantity based in the group. Now display the supplier details sorted by their ratings in descending order. Since we did not have any ratings particularly, I have ordered them by supplier ID in ascending order. In default in SQL, everything is in ascending order. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and according to that, all the rows and the tables, as in columns. Sorry. Now display the names of all the customers in uppercase. So we're going to use the upper function, upper, that column name as customer name from customer. All are in uppercase. Now find the number of months between order date and the order ID is equal to 103 and the current date. So what we're going to do, we're going to select months between this to the current date and the uh, order ID 103's order date from order 1, where order ID is equal to 103. Control C, and this is 22.5 months for that. Now the question is to prefix the postal code with 2 zeros. So we're going to use a concatenate function. We're going to prefix 2 zeros with postal code like this. And it is all the postal code is prefixed with 2 zeros. Now we're going to display the substring of Newman from Richard Newman. So I've selected select sub str customer name as name from customer. The customer name is equal to Richard Newman. Newman it is. Now the last query is display the number of characters in the name of the customer which ends with E. So select length of the customer name from the customer table, where the customer name is like the percentage symbol neglects all the front characters, but it should end with this E character. That was our condition, right? It was a query. So we want to do that. This is the syntax for that. Let's see. Now it is done. As you can see, 8. Let us see the customer table just to check whether this is correct or not. So as you can see, there is one name as John Doe which ends with E. There is no other name that ends with E. And the number of characters is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The space is also considered here. So I hope all the queries have been clarified. Hence we are done with our exercise number 3. I hope you all enjoyed the video and hope to see you again. Have fun. Have a nice day.